same Hoover Vlogs. So if you're new to my channel or our channel, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I made a new video. So guys, how's everyone? So as you can see in my previous vlog that I am pregnant, and today or this week is my second trimester. So I'm gonna show you what we bought from Shopee and is it worth it or not. So here guys, if you can see, the box is a Fetal Doppler. So usually this is used by pregnant women when they're checked in the hospital if the baby's heartbeat is there and how much is it per minute. So this one is, I really don't know how much my husband bought, but I'm gonna put it here. And Jumper is the brand. It's a large LCD display, easy to operate, accuracy of of testing, built-in speaker. So this is made in, of course, China. So here it is guys. I'm gonna show you the look of a Fetal Doppler. So it has a battery. It's a AAA and 3 of those. So I'll just take this out and like there's a button here for turning it on. There, as you can see. And then you just put this in the tummy. So it will work well if you have like a lubricant, but we don't have, so we use like coconut oil. So it really smoothen the tummy and the skin, so it can move and find where is the baby. So as you can see, it's loud. So it's really nice to monitor the baby's heartbeat. So I'm gonna show you guys how my husband find the baby's heartbeat. Like that. So there it is, and it's really quick and easy to use it. So hi guys, so we're at home and we just bought this Fetal Doppler from Shopee, and I'm gonna show you later, but today I'm gonna show you how did we use it and if we can hear the baby's heartbeat.
And it ranks 11.
Is Dr. Matthew. There, louder. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna put the links in the description below if you are interested, you're pregnant, interested to use the same brand or same Fetal Doppler that we have. And bye guys!